Hello and welcome to day 20 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Yes, today is day 20. We have come a long way. Our app will no longer be just about text or comments. Images are the heart of social media. Whether it's memes that make us laugh, or stunning travel photos, or those adorable cat pictures which everyone loves, images make content memorable and engaging. Today, we'll add the ability for users to include images in their tweets. This step will take our app from basic to creative level. Let's get started. So if we go to Twitter, you can see that we have text, image, same text and then image. Let's see how do we implement this on our app. So firstly, we have to go to data types, tweet, and slightly modify this. We need to add one more field, which is called image, and this will be of type image. And on the front end, let's add the ability to upload an image. So to be able to allow the users to upload picture, we need to use picture uploader. I'll get this over here. Let's make this as 45 by 45. We can also align this over here. Now, here is a text. I'll remove this text and I'll add an icon within this. Okay, which can be of type image. Let's make this as 35 by 35, and padding we can remove so that the image looks a bit bigger. Okay, let's bring this to center, and now click on the picture uploader and select bring to front so that it is on the front. So when the user clicks on that particular icon, it allows the users to upload the image. Now when we click on post, edit workflow, we are not just creating a tweet with text but also an image. So you can say image equals to picture uploader's value. Let's see if this works. So tweet with an image attached. So let me upload an image. So image has been uploaded. Let me click on post and let's see if this is added in the database. You can see the image has been added. Now to display that on the front end, what we are going to do is we will have to add an image element over here. Once we do that, this group has expanded and the repeating group has been messed up. So for that, let's go to repeating group. Okay. Set fixed number of rows. You can uncheck this and make minimum height of row as 45. Go to the tweet page and change the height to, let's say, 1700. We'll have to change the container layout, but for that, we have to understand a bit of responsiveness. Until then, do the change in the height. If you feel that whatever you have added is not sufficient, keep increasing this. Now we have added this image element. Let's map it. So near dynamic image, click on this box and insert dynamic data. Parent groups tweets image. Okay, let's see if this works. You can see that this particular tweet has come up with the image that we uploaded. And just like that, we have given our app an eye. Now it can see the world via images, making the tweets more engaging and exciting. But before I go, I want to take a moment to appreciate how far you have come. You have been following along for 20 long days. That's 20 steps closer to building something meaningful. I hope you've started to see how much you are capable of doing when you take one step at a time. In the next video, let's cover navigation via the left panel. If you see on Twitter, we have home, explore, notifications, and so on and so forth. Even if you scroll through the tweets, the left menu remains there, and that is called floating group. In the next video, we are going to explore that. Do not miss out.